Imagine you're in a boxing ring, but instead of gloves, your hands are tied with red tape. That's what it feels like to navigate the complex world of credit repair alone. It's a battleground, filled with legal jargon, confusing credit reports, and relentless debt collectors. Enter the credit repair specialist. They're your champion, armed with the knowledge and experience to fight your battles. They understand the nuances of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, know how to handle negotiations, and most importantly, they can decipher the cryptic language of your credit report that might as well be written in hieroglyphics. They'll save you the time and stress of learning all this yourself, plus they're persistent. They'll follow up on every dispute, every negotiation, and ensure your rights are protected and enforced. But the real knockout punch, they can potentially save you thousands. Bad credit can lead to high interest rates, denied loan applications, and increased insurance premiums. So think about it. The cost of a credit repair specialist versus the cost of living with bad credit. It's not just a battle, it's a war worth winning. And with a credit repair specialist in your corner, victory is in sight.